English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Integrity, murmur, rash. Integrity. Integrity is a noun. C2 learners usually know integrity. Integrity is about honesty and the ability to do what is right. Here are some examples. She was a woman of strong character and integrity. Everyone should act with integrity, honesty, and fairness. Children need to know that integrity is a trait that matters in life. Murmur. Murmur is a verb and a noun. C2 learners usually know murmur. To murmur is to speak so quietly that only people nearby can hear. A murmur is a low, continuous background noise. Here are some examples. He murmured a few words of apology. I'm never coming here again, she murmured. They could hear the distant murmur of traffic far away. Rash. Rash is a noun and an adjective. C2 learners usually know rash. A rash describes small red spots on the skin. Rash describes a sudden action done without careful thought. Here are some examples. The allergy brings her out in a rash. Later on, he will regret his rash decision. You said you would have the report ready by lunchtime? That was a rash promise. Now write some of your own sentences with integrity, murmur and rash. Download the free C2 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.